This is a Ford Transit Custom 2018. I'm going to make a video about fitting a pre-engine heater. This is the heater that warms the water of the engine to allow easy starts and less wear and tear to the engine, and a nice warm cabin in the winter time. So I'll start off by showing you where to fit the heater itself, which is just under the passenger door. You'll notice the exhaust. And there is the heater itself, the heater unit. And the pipe work. The engine. There's the relays at the back there for the controller of the night heater. Power wires connected here and earth there, all fused. Then we have the hoses, which the inlet hose, which is the outlet hose from the night heater, which is this hose here, which runs along here and goes down there behind the gearbox. The return hose, which is this one here from the heater, comes back down around and goes down in the bottom corner, returning to the night heater. And then the wires themselves come up along the bulkhead around here for the control unit. So here, the controller itself. I've fitted a manual override so I can run it for several hours, because this timer only allows it to run for half an hour at a time. Around the passenger side we also have the wire for the air blower. Now that I've fitted that all back together, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. But it's the blue wire. It's this blue wire that runs down here to the heater itself. There's a plug behind this unit. Take this off and you'll see a plug, and you'll connect it to the negative side of the fan. Right. And then when the heater starts up, it will switch on the fan depending on what position you leave this. So if you set this at there, it will come on at fan speed 2. Remember to set the heating to full if you want the cabin warm. Which I will now demonstrate.
You're crazy.
I'm crazy, says the wife. I probably am a little bit. you should hear the heater kick in. Here. It'll fire up in a second. And here now the pump, which is located there next to the fuel tank. Drawing fuel now. You hear the tone of it has changed as it's starting to heat up now. Should have also a silencer on there, but I removed it because I prefer it with a bit more noise, so I can hear it that it's running all the time when I want it on. But yeah, it's burning up there now. So we're coming for the cabin. Fan is running. I'll turn that. Now it's off. There's no keys in the ignition. That's my short video of installing the night heater, or pre-engine heater.